Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete a page on Google DOS PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
To delete a Google DOS page, you just want to have two more options. The first option, you can click on the page where you just want to delete it. You can see here there was a few blank pages, and you just keep a page and just type the backspace, so it will automatically clear and the page paragraph will be updated on the top. So this is the first method. Or else if you are making you can select a page like this, it will show as a selected line on the blank page. So if you are making a page break or a section break on your document, you can delete the break through this option. So if you are making a blank page through the break option, page break option, you can just select the page and just click on the backspace. So select the page, the line will be appears and you can select it. And if you have any changes in the format, you can also choose the format option to get it right, the clear formatting options or more, or also have some of more options on the formatting tool here, so you can use it. And by using this option, you can easily delete the blank pages, or you can also select all pages by choosing this and just click here just like this and click on the backspace. Automatically the page will be deleted. So try this option on your Google DOS PC now.
Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google DOS, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.